narcissist, along with being a psychopath, so I think he watched every TV newscast he could. I wouldn't be surprised if he saved newspaper clippings. Some people with his mindset do.
I know court-sitting officers believe that I would be depressed, dejected, as well as in a state of physical exhaustion, and that the inevitability of it all would shake me, and I was just a rotten tomato ready to burst. And all it would take would be this extraordinary circumstance to open me up. But my exhaustion notwithstanding, they were barking up the wrong tree.
Once he got caught and he was in jail, he called. He had a credit card that he could use. And he called and we talked, and talked for about 15 minutes or so.
How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good, Ted. How are you doing?
Well, quite well, quite frankly. There's still the scars and the blisters on my feet, I'm sitting here barefoot. From running around in the mountains. Extraordinary experience.
They treat you pretty good?
They've developed this paranoia about me, and I'm going to escape or something.
I can't imagine where they're getting that.
Yes, exactly. You know, we haven't really talked personally, obviously, since the latter part of January.
Yeah, right.
But any impressions about all that you've been hearing about me and
Okay, how do you mean?
well, like the escape and everything. I wonder what your impression of that was.
I had mixed impressions. I was wondering if you were really getting uptight, and the pressure looked like it was on. In your own mind, what was happening? What was the reason for it?
I just got sick and tired of being locked up, and I had, over the months, I'd noticed a number of opportunities to just walk right out. Just longed for freedom for so long, and now, like I was living my ultimate dream. It was just an incredible experience.
It's almost like he's talking to a father and saying, you know, I almost did a home run. You know, in the baseball, he was so friendly. He was really quite proud of that.
You talked about how lucky people were to catch him, and how stupid the people were who caught him, and how intellectually superior he was to everybody. And I thought to myself, those things may be true, but you're the one in jail, and those are the ones who are on the outside.
Theodore Bundy left here in the midst of a hearing concerning his upcoming murder trial. If that's what he hoped to avoid, he didn't really accomplish much by escaping. He's back in jail. That hearing resumes Thursday morning, and now Bundy faces new charges of escape.
And this is one of those strange dichotomies with Ted. He liked being the center of attention, but did not understand what kind of trouble came with it. The better known he was